Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make neck pillows at zero cost. At zero. You don't have to buy anything. Everything I used was from used materials. So I transformed, I took a piece of fabric from my old bed sheet from high school and stuff like the polyester. I used stuff from let me just get this was from an old pillow that we had, so I just used this, and basically I think those are the big materials that you'll be needing. And then voila, this is what you get. My goodness, it's so comfortable and it looks classy. Okay, we'll do another video on pillow casings, but so far so good. Yeah, as you can see. So let's get started. Okay, so basically the first step of what you're going to do is you're going to need this pattern, a horseshoe pattern, and I'll put a link down below for where you can get this pattern. Secondly, you're going to need your fabric, where you're going to take the printout and trace it on the fabric. Okay, so the next step, you're just going to cut the fabric. But just remember that you have two sides of this fabric, and you're just going to take your marker pen and you're going to mark the edges, and where you're going to mark is where you're going to actually be doing the stuffing. Just make sure you leave enough space for your hand to fit in. So you're going to need these pins to hold the fabric together so that it doesn't move when you're sewing. As for me, I had only of those two pins, and so I decided to use office pins, which worked also perfectly. So the next step, you're just going to take your needle and thread and start sewing. I'd advise for you to use a machine which is better and stronger, but if you don't have a sewing machine, just use this pattern that I used here because it's better. So after you're done sewing, you can just cut the shaped metals at the edge, and this will help to make it smoother when you're turning it to the right side out. Just ensure you don't cut so close to the stitching that you cut the stitching itself. So last but not least, you're just going to take the fabric and turn it right side out so that you can start filling it with the fabric, the polyester fabric. So that you make your pillow a little bit more fluffy, I ensured that I started at the complete edge, pushing it towards the edge kabisa, and I'd advise you also do the same and ensure that you fit in the polyester completely so that it doesn't look less bad. And when you're done, just the next step and the last step is just to sew it the edge where there's the opening together, and basically after that you'll be done. So that was all for today, and I hope you liked this video. If you really liked it, don't like it just emotionally, press that like button that is there, and also feel free to subscribe and leave down a comment down below if you have any other questions. And also what else? The notification, yeah, so that you can know when I'm posting a new video. It's so comfortable. Yeah, just okay, bye guys.